welcome back to the Sweet Soul Vibes channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Welcome back to my black screen poetry, affirmations, positivity channel. We're about to get into a poem called Water. Why do people run from the rain but stand in the shower, quench their thirst with everything but water? Water fast for a cleanse. Do this and feel a clear mind. Why do people run from the rain when nature needs it? Plants grow, animals drink, kids play and splash in puddles. So why so selective? Why do people run from the rain? Water is being tampered with on a regular basis. Planet Earth is filled with water. Water to cleanse, water to accommodate life, a true blessing. Why do people run from rain? Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this poem, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave some suggestions in the comments. Let me know if you prefer the poem up on the screen or just a plain black screen. Once again, thank you for listening.